Hey guys, today I would like to show you how to make your very own fender. Three things that you will need: a sheet of paper, a monitor, and a piece of plastic that you can cut your fender out of. The first thing you'd like to do is Google MTB Fender template. Find a template that you like. Click on it. Then right-click on the image and open a new tab. Here, you can hold down Control and then use your scroll wheel to zoom in and out of. You may even save the image to your desktop and open it with an image viewer where you can adjust how zoomed in you are. Once you've found a fender that you like, tape a piece of paper to the monitor. And one thing to note, you don't want to use a magic marker because it will bleed through and actually draw on the monitor itself. Make sure you're using a pen. Now trace out the template onto the sheet of paper. It doesn't need to be exact, but make note of what you left out. Now tape your template to the material. Here I'm using a milk carton. I chose this because it has a slight curve to it already. Make sure to save the template so you can use it in the future. Once you have it cut out, you can fine-tune the shape with a little bit of heat. Once you have the fender in the shape that you like, all you have to do then is just paint it and put it on the bike.